Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video. Today we've got the FT Explorer right here, and you can see we've got the Sunny Sky 2216-8 with a 9x6 APC prop on here. I'm really excited to get this thing going. Got the motor upgraded, and I think we're ready to mount some FPV on here, assuming this flight goes well. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing now has a lot of power, and I've never flown an Explorer not on the A2212 system. But yeah, this thing flies great. It is a big plane, so it doesn't like the wind, but literally just cruising around at like a third throttle. Don't want to make those bank and yank turns at full throttle because wing loading will snap this wing quite easily. I've seen, there's plenty of videos if you want to see Explorer wing snappings happening. Yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah, so there's plenty of power on this Explorer. Feels a little tail heavy for some reason. Not exactly sure why, because maybe it's just a bigger motor behind the center of gravity, but seems kind of unlikely because it's not that much bigger than the original Power Pack B setup I had on here. But I will go ahead and compensate that with that for some more battery weight. I'm getting some bigger batteries in this weekend for it. But you can see this thing has plenty of power and plenty of speed. Just might be a good time to reinforce this wing some more, because obviously with added power comes added wing loading, especially on a heavy airplane like this. But hey, this thing is not having any struggles to climb or anything like that anymore. And you can see you can darn near park it in this wind and just give it about a quarter throttle just to keep it right there. Let's do a rudder only turn here. Respectable. I mean, there's a pretty big rudder on here, so it kind of makes sense, but you can see the Explorer's just handling this wind with ease with all this power. Obviously it's not pretty, but in terms of the power department, we're not having any of the issues we previously had. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in for a landing. Let's go around one more time, do a nice downwind pass. I'm gonna see if I can catch it, but last time I tried to catch it I almost killed the plane, so I'm gonna not do that this time. It's just landing like that. It's probably a better option, just because last time I dropped it and I ended up doing that right there. That's not good. All right, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This thing definitely has the power to carry a good amount of FPV gear, so stay tuned for another video coming out very soon where we mount some FPV and a GoPro onto this thing, take it around the park for some adventures. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.